Hey there guys, Jonathan with Smith Auto Detailing in Edmond, Oklahoma, where we specialize in ceramic coatings and paint correction. Today I'm taking care of this GMC pickup with just a one-step paint polish and then a lifetime ceramic coating that I'll be applying to this car later in the video. This client actually called me through our Google business page, and whenever he first got in contact with me, he was interested in learning a little more about ceramic coatings, but was really leaning more towards our normal wash and wax service. But whenever I started explaining what exactly a ceramic coating is, he really wanted to get that instead of just a normal wax. And that's simply because of the benefits of a ceramic coating. Whenever you have a ceramic coating applied, it is a long-term form of paint protection to where a normal wax will only last a few months. But for example, this exact ceramic coating I'm applying to this car will last for several years, and this is actually our 10-year lifetime ceramic coating. We do offer a few different coatings. One is a 1-year coating, a 3-year, 6-year, and 10-year. So based on your budget and what exactly you're looking for and how long you plan on keeping your car, we can work with you to create a package that you want. Now, originally this client only wanted a ceramic coating and no paint correction, but whenever I started talking to him more on site, I learned that he had been a member at the local car wash, getting a wash just about every single week, and that instantly indicated to me that I would have to do some sort of paint correction. But whenever I took the paint and showed him what it looked like underneath the light, he could see that there were tons of swirls and scratches and imperfections that he had no idea about. So we did add in just a one-step paint polish in order to correct the paint and get rid of those imperfections, and then I applied the 10-year ceramic coating over top. Again, this is Jonathan with Smith Auto Detailing in Edmond, Oklahoma. We do specialize in these services of installing ceramic coatings after performing paint correction services. So if you're interested in these types of services, go ahead and call us or visit our website, smithautodetailing.com, to get more information, but to also get in contact with us so that we can build you out the perfect ceramic coating package that will fit your needs and budget perfectly. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.